Promotional videos helps every startup to give J-curve to their growth, and if you have started a fitness club, then you are at the right place. Hey creators, this is Deepak from Filmora Creator Academy, and today we will learn how you can make your fitness club promo video. So stay tuned. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora updates in future. So, I have these three stock images with which we are going to make our promo video. So first of all, add the first stock image on the video track, then jump to the titles tab and search for modern pattern promo. From these professional promo titles, select your favorite one and place it on the third video track. Now, we need to make this picture more engaging. So let's add one overlay by going to the effects tab and searching for fitness power. Now add this one effect just on stock image like this. I need to reposition this picture, but we have another layer above it. So how we can add it? It's just simple. To edit the below layers, just click on this lock button so that the text layer will be locked and it cannot be edited while it is locked. Now double click on the project media to get the transform options, then relocate it to here. Now cut the stock image from here and double click on the first left side and then go to the animation tab from here and you can find fade in animation. Just double click on it and by dragging the keyframes from the layer, you can change the duration of the animation as well. Now just click on the right one layer and select an animation. I'm selecting the boom one. Now it's time to go a bit far here and unlock this title layers. Then cut it and delete the right one side. And also delete this much part of the stock image as well. Then double click on the titles and go to the advanced tab. Now what to do, you know, just replace the text like here I am typing the fitness club website and I will decrease the letter space and change the text style as well. On these text layers you can type your text and slogans. Can delete the extra text layers by clicking on the extra text layer and pressing delete button, and then you can reposition the text according to your desire. Okay, be strong, be yourselves, sounds motivating. Now I will click on this text layer and will type the fitness club name and hit OK. We have added our first slide of the promo. Now go to the media tab and add another stock image and add it here on the second video track. Then double click on it and you can resize from the scale slider and reposition it according to your desire. Hit OK and go to the titles layer and search for modern pattern promo again and add another promo just above the second image. Remove some right part and same for the stock image as well from here. Now double click on the titles layer and go to advanced, and with the previous fashion do the same things. Change the slogan, change the font size, relocate it according to your desire, and finally hit OK and OK again. Let's add the same effect by going to the effects tab, and from download you can find the same effect, or you can search for fitness power again and put it on the second stock image. So to add one transition, go to the transitions tab and search for fitness power here as well and add this super transition between the two text layers. Great! The second slide is also done. Now it's time to edit the third slide. Remember that this third slide will be our last and main slide where we will give our contact information. So make sure that it is impactful. So just go to the media tab and select the last third stock image and place it on the third video track. Then double click on it, relocate it according to your convenience, click on OK and go to the effects tab again. And this time search for modern pattern promo here on the effect tab. Now from these professional frames, select your favorite one like this one just above the third stock image like this. Simply again go to the titles tab and search for modern pattern promo again and add this title at the top of the third image. Now I will double click on the title in the project media, then I will relocate this graphic to here. Now double click on the title layer and go to advanced. Then do the same things we did earlier. Type your text, place it on the desired position and hit OK and OK again. Now this time we will add another title. So just go to the titles tab and search for essential title pack. Take this one title and add it at the top here. I will double click on the new title in the project media and will change graphic position to here. Now double click on the title and go to advanced. This title will be used to add our joining information, etc. So just type accordingly, and you can also change the animation style to make them more impactful by going to the animation tab, selecting your desired text and changing its animation by double clicking on one of them. Finally, click on OK and delete the unnecessary layer parts, and we are done with the video. Now let's export this project in full HD resolution and watch this video and see how it's looking. We did it, creators! The video is looking so professional and motivating. And you know what? I should also join a fitness club. So just comment down below and let us know how you are making your promo video more impactful. See you in the next one video of Filmora Creator Academy. Be fit and goodbye. If you like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom of the video to get the project files and replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you want to learn next. Till then, stay creative with Filmora.